Hi, I'm Jessica from Me Time.
And I'm Noel.
Today we're going to show you how to put the roof on the Tyre house. That's part of the Return to Bethlehem collection and part of the Collectible Christmas subscription.
I absolutely love the details on all of the houses from Collectible Christmas, so I'm excited to get into kind of how we make them look pretty.
We designed this house with a curved roof. You can find other tutorials about making the houses on our YouTube channel. We're going to specifically focus on the curved roof for this one.
Perfect. Right here I have the front of the house already stitched out, and I'm going to show you how to clip the curved part so that it lays flat and is really pretty. First, I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to cut little angles every, I don't know, about half an inch or so, like that. And you will really want to make sure you don't clip those stitches right there. So here's this. I'm just going to keep clipping around the curve. And then I'll show you, oops, I didn't quite get that one all the way. Oh, there's some threads left. That's okay, we can leave those. So I'm just clipping around the curve. Okay, so I have all of that clipped, and now I'm going to show you how to glue it down so that it looks nice and pretty. So I'm going to flip this to the back. I have glue here, and I'm going to do little dots on each of these little flaps. And then I'm going to take this and fold it over. And I'm just going to do that with all of them. And you'll notice that the fabric doesn't immediately stick, but once you glue it and clip it in place, and I'll show you that, you'll use these clips. I think they sell them in the Me Time store. And I'm going to take, you can use either shapeform or project batting for this part. But I'm going to take a piece of project batting, lay it over like this, and stick the clip on like this. That way it doesn't leave dents in the fabric on the front or on the back. So I'm just going to keep clipping around the whole thing. So now I'm going to glue the top edges and the bottom edges all the way up, just like I did for the roof.
Okay, I found a house that the roof wasn't centered very well on it. I wondered if you could help us figure out how to center it and make it look better.
Yeah, of course. So I have this one that's already prepared, and I have a roof as well. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue, and I'm actually going to apply little dots along the edges, just to kind of get it to where it sticks a little bit. And then I'm also going to apply glue right here on the sides of the house at the top. You can apply either lines or dots, it's your preference. I like to do dots first just to make sure I'm lining it up well. And then, so here's the front of the house. I'm going to take this roof, and to be able to center it, I'm going to fold it in half like this so I can find the center at the top. And so I'm going to keep that center in mind, and what you're going to do is then slowly line it up and press it on, making sure that the center is there and that the sides line up well. And you're just going to hold this in place for a minute.
Love it. You did a really good job centering it. Thanks for joining us. Please let us know if you're finding these tip videos helpful. Bye.